Hello again. This video is on Dit Da Jow, also known as iron palm medicine. A literal translation would be falling down wine. This video is for educational purposes only and comes with warnings. Please do not ignore. Dit Da Jow. Many internal arts schools and kung fu schools in general have some version of a Dit Da Jow medicine, which is used with certain types of training like iron palm, or for the treatment of soft tissue injuries like sprains, strains and bruises, the formulas of which are closely kept secrets, and the same is true for our school. However, the Communist Party of China kindly have their own version available, so I am going to show you the ingredients here and make the Dit Da Jow to see what it's like. Warning: not to be used or ingested by pregnant women or anyone on blood thinners, heart tablets or blood pressure tablets. It should also not be used by anyone with blood disorders like haemophilia. This makes at least 500 to 700 ml of Dit Da Jow. The ingredients can be used as is or ground up. Place ingredients into a suitable airtight container and add your brandy, or, if you wish, you can use vodka, rice wine or an alcohol of your choice of at least 40% proof. You can increase the quantity of both herbs and alcohol accordingly as desired. Here, I am using brandy as the base for the tincture. The reason for this is that it is the best for tinctures of this kind. In fact, you can use brandy infused with a ginseng root as a treatment for soft tissue injuries, which is also good for painful joints and varicose veins. The Dit Da Jow just has more herbs to help the tissues in healing faster. However, the Dit Da Jow is far more expensive and a little bit of overkill, so the brandy and ginseng is best for regular joint issues and things like varicose veins. I used the herbs as they were in the brandy, and after about a week I blended them. This is far easier than grinding the herbs yourself, which can be tough on household appliances. Leaving the herbs in the brandy for around 31 days, shaking the mixture every day for a few seconds to ensure the mixture is regularly stirred up.